Duck. A duck's feathers are so waterproof, water just rolls right off. Fish. Some fish can swim backward just as easily as forward. Stingray. Stingrays bury themselves in sand and peek out with only their eyes. Squid. A squid can shoot ink to make a smokescreen and vanish in seconds. Crocodile. Crocodiles cry when they eat, but only to clean their eyes, not from sadness. Pufferfish. A pufferfish's spikes pop out like tiny swords when it feels in danger. Octopus. An octopus can change both color and texture to look like coral or rocks. Shark. Sharks have super hearing. They can detect tiny splashes from miles away. Caterpillar. A caterpillar grows so fast it sheds its skin up to 5 times before turning into a butterfly. Crab. Some crabs wave their claws like flags to talk to each other. Whale. Whales can sing songs that travel farther than any other animal sound. Starfish. Starfish can taste using their feet. Yep, feet, tasting. Anglerfish. Anglerfish carry a glowing fishing rod on their heads to lure dinner. Clownfish. Clownfish sleep inside sea anemones without getting stung. Seal. A seal can sleep underwater and automatically rise up to breathe. Turtle. Turtles can live over 100 years. Some even outlive humans. Great white shark. Great white sharks can leap completely out of the water when they attack. Shark. Sharks don't have bones. Their bodies are made of soft, bendy cartilage. Pufferfish. A baby pufferfish can puff up even before it's fully grown. Octopus. If an octopus loses an arm, it grows a brand new one. No problem. Crab. Crabs use their strong claws to crack open shells like nature's nutcrackers. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead sharks can see in almost every direction at once. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs form shell swap parties when they all need bigger homes. Polar bear. A polar bear's fur is clear, not white. It only looks white in the sunlight.